OLED gaming displays are here, and they're changing the game. With incredible response times, a pixel-perfect lighting, and deep, true blacks, OLED is the holy grail for gamers. We're diving into the best of the best, exploring the current leaders in this stunning technology. Two main technologies dominate: LG's WOLED and Samsung's QD-OLED. While Samsung initially led, LG's latest WOLED has closed the brightness gap and addressed some minor issues like grayish blacks in bright rooms. It's a tight race, showcasing the rapid evolution of OLED. Our top pick? The MSI MPG 321 URX QD OLED. It delivers stunning 4K resolution and vibrant colors thanks to its Samsung panel, but at a more accessible price. While the design's subtle, the image quality is anything but. Expect vibrant colors, deep blacks, and excellent text clarity. Brightness is solid, and MSI's burn-in protection, including a 3-year warranty, provides peace of mind. It's the best combination of performance and value, making it our overall champion. For competitive gamers, the MSI MPG 271 QRX is the 1440p king. With a blistering 360Hz refresh rate and lightning-fast response times, it's built for speed. Its Samsung panel delivers exceptional vibrancy, but the price is steep for a 1440p display. Still, if you crave the fastest experience, this is it. For ultra-wide immersion, the Asus ROG Swift OLED PG34 WCDM reigns supreme. Its stunning 3440 by 1440 resolution, 240Hz refresh rate, and vibrant colors create a truly captivating experience. Text handling is excellent, and the brightness is impressive. While pricey, it's the ultimate ultra-wide for those who demand the best. Looking for a fantastic ultra-wide without breaking the bank? The Alienware 34 QD OLED AW3423DWF is our budget pick. Its glossy coating, vibrant colors, and deep contrast make games pop. The 165Hz refresh rate and fast response times deliver smooth gameplay. Often discounted, it offers incredible value for an OLED ultrawide. For the ultimate big screen experience, the Samsung Odyssey OLED G9 G9 III SC is unmatched. This massive 49-inch ultrawide delivers stunning visuals and immersive gameplay. With a 240Hz refresh rate and excellent brightness, it's a productivity and gaming powerhouse. If you want the biggest and best, and this is it. Want a display that bends? The LG OLED Flex 42 is a game changer. This 4K 120Hz display can curve at the touch of a button. With excellent image quality and a suite of smart TV features, it's a versatile and truly unique display. Yes, it's expensive, but it's also incredibly innovative. And finally, the current king of OLED gaming monitors, the LG Ultra Gear 32GS95UE. With its brighter WOLED panel, superior color accuracy, and 4K 240Hz refresh, it outperforms the competition. Although expensive, it's the absolute best for those demanding the pinnacle of OLED technology. While the MSI is the best value, if money's no object, the LG is the one to get. OLED gaming monitors are here to stay, offering incredible visuals and performance. Whether you prioritize speed, size, or value, there's an OLED for you. Dive in and experience the future of gaming displays.